Before attaching the reel, make sure the filament's cut nice and straight, because if it's at an angle it could pierce the board and tube and get stuck. Start pushing the filament into slot 1 until you can feel it pulling, and then just let it go, and then attach the reel onto the robox. The robox will just keep pulling the filament through until it reaches the hot end, and it will just automatically stop. Then to eject the filament, to remove the reel, just hold the eject button for a few seconds, and then it will start heating up the hot end so the filament can be removed. Then after about a minute you'll hear the gears go into reverse and you'll start seeing the filament coming back out. At this stage you can leave it to eject itself, or what I do is rotate the reel anti-clockwise just to take up a bit of the slack. Light pressure while it's ejecting. Squeeze the 2 buttons in, then you can remove the reel.